This right here is a payment ever received from article writing. I have completed one article on a specific website. So you can, if you have any passion to write an article, you can also submit your article for ensuring extra cash from any corner of this world. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. And if you are a newbie, if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you are make money online just like this and keep watching and appreciate my videos, please like, share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. Alright, this website is called .writer.com. .writer.com. This one is the best and amazing website to submit your article. If you have a passion to write any articles in different types of languages, I mean English, French, Spanish and other languages on different categories, you can get this chance to start your journey for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world. So how you will start your journey after coming on .writer.com step by step, I want to share today. Don't skip any part of this video and please pay close attention to complete this video at a glance. So the first characteristics about this .writer.com, there are 30 plus content categories over here, and this one is second, copyscape, verified, proprietary by editors, secure payments, minimum 300 words, sell at service of bulk orders. So from the marketplace pool, please place custom job orders or private hire a right of your choice. First of all, if you come over here, there are lots of people are selling their articles on this platform over here, and they are ensuring more and more extra cash from this website here. This is a first content, I mean this first article, 5 things successful people tell themselves in the morning. This one is $19.95 over here, and this one second thing, I mean few things parents should teach their children in today's world. There are lots of articles over here. If you submit your article on this platform, you can ensure extra cash over and over. These are the categories over here. This one is first, alternative in energy 34 and arts and entertainment 163, automotive 109 and business. There are lots of categories over here you can see. And first of all, you have to choose the trendy categories to sell your article on this .writer.com. So this is the first and last thing to ensure your topic for ensuring extra cash on this platform. Why .writer? These are the 4 criteria, and if you want to purchase any article from here, you can work as a buyer, or on the other hand, you can sell your article on this platform over here. This one is the writer's criteria, and this one another amazing things, you can also do your work as a affiliate marketer over here. After creating this one, this account on this platform, you have to say you have to share your affiliate links on different types of social media sites. So after reading all the criteria from this .writer.com, then you have to click on this sign up button over here, and then you can provide all the informations on the first phase. This one is the phase you have to provide your all the information. This one is enter username, password, you enter password, this one first name, last name, email address, gender, user type, and your country you have to select from here. And this one is also bio, I mean about yourself. So then click on over here and then register now. After creating an account, you will get your email, and just check your email over here. Just click on this add profile picture over here. And second one is verify email. These 2 things you have to complete first time before submitting your article over here. So this is my profile, and I have uploaded a video. Just you have to click on this profile over here to submit or to add your picture over here. After doing this one, just click on this dashboard, and this one is the dashboard, and you will get this common features where you will submit your article. This one is the option to submit your article. And first of all, if you come to this marketplace, you will get lots of articles over here, and according to this article you can create or make your articles or on different types of categories over here. And this one is account options, and if you click on this account options, this one is my total profile settings, and you can change over here altogether or later. And if you click on this finance, and you will get this withdraw method. I mean, there is total information. You have to submit your PayPal verified account, and then you have to click on this over here, and you will get the old features, I mean statistics over here. So now after creating this account, just click on this dashboard over here, and then just click on this submit article to market. Alright, this one is category. You have to select from here, and there are lots of categories, and you have to select the categories over here. And I have written an article on health and fitness over here, and then this one is writing style professional, and 3 cents per hour you will get this for 3 cents per or 3 cents over here. This one is article title. You have to submit there, and now I have written an article about coronavirus. What will the future world economy be after the coronavirus pandemic? This one is my article title over here, and then submit. That's it. And alright, this is my article title over here, and this one is also summary. I have to add this one with the summary. I've written this one summary. Just copy from your, before submitting this summary you have to maintain this 75 words on this box over here, and this one is also article box. So now I have to copy this one from here and just paste it. That's it. This is the best and easiest way, and I have submitted 517 words on this box over here. And after doing this one, you have to provide all the links on this box over here. If you have a perfect links, and then you have to submit this one. No, so this article I have created by myself, so I don't have any link over here. Then this one you have to select. Alright, after submitting this one, your article has been submitted to the editors for review. After reviewing this one, this article will be sold more and more, or again and again and over on .writer.com. I have submitted 3 articles today, and you can also submit more and more articles per day. If you sell minimum 5 articles over here, you will earn extra cash from this website. Now if I calculate this one, this article has created by myself, and the word is 517, and the price of article is 15.51. If you calculate this one over here, then if you can sell only 10 article, and this one will be $155 per day. I mean, how many? 3 for 30 days, that will be $450 per month. You will get this amount of money by writing your article on this platform easily. So after approving this article, you will be you can sell your article. I mean, this will be automatically sold on this .writer.com. This is the best and easiest way. I think you can do it without any types of previous knowledge or experiences. you can start your journey on this .writer.com. Now I like to share another bonus tips and tricks. This one is called iWriter.com. iWriter.com is one. This one is a professional article writing marketplace. You can also use this iWriter.com. Just create an account on this platform over here, and if you work on this iWriter.com and also .writer.com, you will be able to earn $500 per month. I mean $500 per month from these two websites altogether. If you don't have any previous knowledge or experiences, I cordially request to write your article on different types of categories. I mean 30 categories over here, and you can submit on this .writer.com and iWriter.com altogether. So this is the best and easiest way. I think you can start your journey on this .writer.com. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to subscribe if you didn't subscribe, and if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much from the core of my heart, and please like, share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.